Today we'll walk you through the process of selling on Etsy, so you can start showcasing your products to a global audience. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for an Etsy account. If you haven't already, sign up for an Etsy account by visiting www.etsy.com and clicking on the sign up button. Follow the prompts and create your account with an email address and password. Step 2. Set up your shop. Once you're logged into your Etsy account, click on Sell on Etsy to start setting up your shop. Follow the steps to choose your shop language, country, currency, and shop name. Add a description that tells buyers what you sell. Step 3. Add your listings. After setting up your shop, it's time to add your listings. Click on the Add a Listing button and fill in the details for each item you want to sell. This includes adding photos, a title, description, price, and shipping details. Step 4. Set up your payment methods. Choose your payment methods so you can receive payments from buyers. Etsy offers various payment options, including direct checkout, PayPal, and more. Set up the options that work best for you. Step 5. Promote your shop. Now that your shop is alive, it's time to start promoting it to attract buyers. Share your shop and listings on social media, participate in Etsy teams and forums, and consider investing in Etsy ads to reach more potential customers. Step 6. Manage your orders. As orders come in, manage them through your Etsy dashboard. Keep track of orders, communicate with buyers, and ship orders promptly to ensure a positive buying experience. Step 7. Provide excellent customer service. Offer excellent customer service to keep buyers happy and encourage repeated purchases. Respond to messages promptly, address any issues or concerns, and provide accurate information about your products and shipping. And that's it, you're now selling on Etsy and reaching customers all around the globe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.